Most people spend hours scrolling online, but only a few have discovered how to make those hours pay them back. Every day, ordinary people are secretly earning thousands. Not from crypto, not from the stock market, but from something you already have access to, ChatGPT. Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we decode the hidden ways people build real wealth in the modern world. If you're tired of guessing how others are making money online while you keep watching, hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because here, you'll finally learn how to make money work for you, not the other way around. Let's uncover how ChatGPT is turning simple ideas into income streams and how you can start today. Here's a truth that might sting a little. AI isn't just the future. It's already replacing people who don't adapt. Every minute, businesses, influencers, and creators are paying someone, not a person, but a prompt. What if I told you people are earning $500 to $2,000 a month using ChatGPT without coding, without showing their face, and without big investments? Sounds unreal, right? But here's the secret. ChatGPT doesn't make you money itself. It's a tool that multiplies your skills, like writing, creativity, and business ideas, and turns them into results faster than ever before. Right now, there's a digital gold rush happening, and the only difference between those getting rich and those getting left behind is who learns how to use AI smarter. So, let's explore the exact ways people are turning ChatGPT into income streams, and how you can too. Let's start with the most accessible, freelance writing. Thousands of freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are using ChatGPT to write blogs, social media posts, and emails for clients. And many of them don't even consider themselves writers. Here's how it works. You take client briefs, feed them into ChatGPT, refine the output with your human touch, and deliver polished work, fast. What used to take 4 hours now takes 40 minutes. That means more clients, more income, and less burnout. And because you're using AI, you can charge competitive rates while working less, turning your laptop into a mini writing agency. If you learn to master prompt engineering, giving ChatGPT detailed, structured instructions, you'll be able to create better content than many experts. Next, digital products. Ebooks, guides, templates, and courses are the new digital real estate. People are using ChatGPT to create content, outlines, and even marketing descriptions, then selling them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Notion marketplaces. Imagine this. You use ChatGPT to create a freelancer's guide to AI-powered productivity. You upload it once, and it sells over and over, even while you sleep. You're not trading time for money anymore, you're building assets. And in 2025, assets are the new freedom. Now, this one is exploding right now. Faceless YouTube channels powered by ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to write video scripts, generate ideas, and even create SEO-optimized titles. Pair it with AI voiceovers and AI visuals, and you have a full content machine without ever showing your face. There are people earning $1,000 to $10,000 per month in ad revenue, and most viewers don't even know the videos were created with AI. The beauty is, your only investment is time and creativity, and both can be multiplied with ChatGPT. Businesses are desperate for people who understand AI tools. They need virtual assistants, automation experts, and AI consultants who can streamline tasks using ChatGPT. Imagine automating customer responses, creating proposals, or building marketing campaigns in minutes. You could charge $50 to $100 an hour, helping small businesses save time, using free tools they don't even know exist. If you position yourself as an AI workflow consultant, you're not just doing tasks, you're solving problems. And that's where real money flows. Now, here's the untold part most people miss. Instead of chasing freelance gigs, use ChatGPT to build your personal brand. It can help you design a full strategy, from your bio, to your content calendar, to your posts, to your newsletters. And when people start trusting your content, you can monetize through affiliate links, brand deals, or your own digital products. This is how people quietly scale from hundreds to thousands. Not by working harder, but by working smarter with AI. If you've watched till here, one thing is clear. AI isn't coming to replace you. It's coming to replace those who refuse to learn it. The people making money with ChatGPT aren't tech geniuses. They're learners, just like you, who decided to take action before it's too late. So, what's stopping you? You can keep watching others succeed, or you can take the first step today. Experiment, explore, and evolve. If you want to master the future of money and AI, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because every week we break down new AI tools, smart side hustles, and wealth building systems that anyone can start. Your future self will thank you for learning before everyone else does.